Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the process of enabling the feature to open links internally within the Viber app on your phone. This setting allows links to open directly inside the app, providing a smoother and faster browsing experience without switching to an external browser. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right, tap on More. This will open a menu with several options. Next, tap on Settings to access the app's settings. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling until you find the General option. Then tap on it. Here, you will see an option labeled Open Links Internally. Finally, turn this option on by sliding the toggle switch. This will enable Viber to open any links you click within the app itself. By following these steps, you will no longer be redirected to an external browser when opening links in Viber, making your navigation quicker and keeping you inside the app. This is especially useful for users who prefer a seamless experience while chatting and browsing links shared with them. Thank you for watching.